invited baller chefs from California and Colorado to compete, but they have no idea they're about to go from the frying pan into the fryer. Here they come now.
Wow.
Chef Jacob Town.
Wow. Flavortown.
And Chef Taylor Frankel.
This is crazy.
Hi, chefs.
Hi.
Both of you have years of experience in restaurants and kitchens. And that's awesome, because today, to win the food fight, you'll have to defeat a chef who has already proven they're up to the job, our returning Flavortown champ, and the Windy City Warrior, we like to call him, the one and only Chef Joe Flam.
I'm back.
How much money did you win so far?
12 grand.
12 grand, fantastic. Yeah. So, there are 2 rounds in food fight. The last chef standing will earn a paycheck up to 20,000 bucks. And return to Flavortown to defend their title and hopefully win even more money, hence our champ right now. But you're here on a very special day, one dedicated to our town's favorite food group. We're talking about Flavortown's first annual Friday. Every dish you make tonight must celebrate and elevate the GBD, the golden brown and delicious of fried food. One chef will earn the right to choose the restaurant kitchen that all the chefs are gonna cook in. And I think we should do that with a little fried food trivia contest.
Oof.
The first chef to pick up the board, answer one trivia question right, will win control of Flavortown in this first round. What is the main ingredient in a deep fried falafel ball? And we're gonna go 3, 2, 1, go. Garbanzo is correct.
It's too fitting. My sister's name is Morgan.
No.
Yeah, and I do feel really confident with vegetarian.
Chefs, welcome to Morgan's Hummingbird Cafe. And here to describe this fantastic menu is the one and only manager, Guy Fieri.
Welcome, chefs. Today's menu will be a meatless fried feast.
So we're asking for a feast, so we're asking for a platter.
Large.
Not SM all.
No. Featuring what is probably a vegetarian cowboy's favorite snack, mushroom jerky.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Go. Hunter, start that timer, please.
I got you.
Cash, what are you doing? It's vegetarian. You don't like anything vegetarian.
I have like this awesome vegetarian dish that I'm super excited to cook. It's a fried zucchini parmesan sandwich with barbecue chips on it.
A little salty, a little bit meaty, and a lot of mushroom. The jerky kind of gave me this meat aspect, so making a meatball out of mushrooms and mushroom jerky was, I think, my best idea. Come on.
Some difficulty with the food processor.
It just doesn't want to break up. Do we have a meat grinder? I really need the mushroom jerky to break down because I don't want it to be chunks of mushroom jerky.
There's a KitchenAid underneath there. I might have to attach.
20 minutes left.
I don't think that's gonna work.
Chef Joe, tell me this menu, buddy.
We're gonna go Frito misto, but like a Frito mushroom.
Love this.
Frito misto means mixed fried. So I started cutting Fresnos, fennel, some onions, fresh mushrooms. We're doing mushroom jerky aioli. With it, working with this texture-wise, what's gonna be tough about it is you can't do as many things. You have to get it to a place to get it to a place.
So I pull everything out of the fryer. My asparagus, my artichokes, very hot above you. They are golden brown and delicious. Grab a couple of fried meatballs and finished with my mushroom gravy. I was very happy with the end result.
2 minutes, 2 to go.
Oh my God. I pull my zucchini out of the oven. The cheese is perfectly melted. I layer on my fried zucchini. Next up, I layer some of the zucchini ribbons that are seasoned with lemon, olive oil, and salt. I put a ton of chips all over the top of the sandwich.
Because that's my favorite way to eat a sandwich.
15 seconds, chefs. Let's get them up there.
I'm getting to the plate. At least I know I'm gonna get plated. Feel great about the sauce.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nicely done, chefs. Nicely done.
So we have Parmesan fried zucchini, homemade barbecue chips, dusted in a mushroom jerky barbecue powder. Yeah, definitely smush that down. And then a mushroom jerky aioli.
Wait.
We're gonna Lady in the Tramp.
Are we?
Yeah.
Okay, great. She said that.
Yes! That's gonna be a memory forever.
Taylor, I was really concerned that how could a sandwich and chips be a feast, and you managed to make this a feast.
The chips really made the sandwich next level.
So this is the fritto misto. And I took the mushroom jerky and I made like a powder to like season the fritto misto with. And then I made an aioli for the dipping sauce out of the mushroom jerky as well.
I really love the acidic pop that the aioli has. I think that when you're eating fried food that is really rich and indulgent, you really need that acidic pop.
To me, my favorite part about this, Joe, is the fact that you had mushroom jerky and you decided to get all different kinds of mushroom to play off that mushroom jerky. And I think that's a very, very smart move. But in terms of feast, I'm looking for something bigger.
I have asparagus, artichoke hearts, and then I made a mushroom meatball with the mushroom jerky. And then I also used the mushroom jerky in the breading for all the ingredients, and then mushroom jerky in my gravy veloute sauce on the bottom.
This is definitely a feast.
Yeah, I think first and foremost, we have to commend you for the amount of work that you've done on this plate.
Thank you.
I mean, just wow. The depth of flavor that you got in this gravy and the amount of time you had was very, very astounding.
The chef who receives the 5-star dish and will take control of Flavortown will be Chef Taylor. Oh, wow. Congratulations. The chef with the 3-star rating whose shift is over goes to Chef Joe.
Oh.
Champ.
Chefs, thank you. Good luck.
So here's the restaurant manager to tell you all about the...
Saw, dude. Today's menu is gonna be a fried dinner.
We're talking a plate.
A plate of love.
Got it.
We also have 3 opportunities for you chefs to make some extra money in your paycheck with our 3 upsell items. First, we have fresh Nepalese for $2,000, huilacoche for an extra $3,000, and chapulines for an extra $5,000.
30 minutes to make a fried dinner. Good luck. Go take them, Hunter.
Okay, let's get to cooking.
Chef Jacob, tell me the menu.
Well, I have a carne asada dinner, so I'm gonna do carne asada skewers, deep fried with a Mexican rice and a refried pinto beans. I got my chicken stock, rice, hot sauce, a little salt in the pot. Rice takes a long time to cook. While my rice is cooking, I'm gonna work on my beans, and I want to use at least one of these upsells. If I can use all 3, that's $10 extra thousand.
20 minutes. Chef Taylor, are you making churros?
I am.
Sounds delicious. All right, so we got churros coming out. What else we got?
I'm making like an arepa.
An arepa. I like that. That works for me.
Okay.
I start to build my arepa batter, which is masa harina, heavy cream, and boiling hot water.
Can I grab a ladle?
Yeah, go right in there.
In an ideal world, an arepa dough would rest for at least an hour, but here we are. I've actually never tried it.
That's gonna be nice.
This will definitely go well with the pork, because the pork is super mild, and this has like a lot of flavor.
20 seconds, chef. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're done.
We have a Mexican-inspired dinner, a refried bean with huitlacoche, some fried rice, Mexican-inspired with nopales, a carne asada-inspired skewer, lightly dusted with grasshoppers, tortilla chips, and masa that was deep fried.
I mean, the first thing is I'm loving the play of the fried, refried, fried rice, literally frying the steak. I think that is so smart. You really embrace that challenge.
So to start, we have an arepa that's stuffed with huilacoche and some chipotle pork on top of guacamole, avocado crema with a pineapple salsa, and then some churros with some Mexican chocolate sauce.
Like the guac, super tasty. You have this pineapple salsa, which is the right amount of acid that you really need for this ginormous piece of masa cake.
Yeah.
The arepas, great idea.
But it was not enough filling.
The chef who prepared the 5-star dish and is our new champ is... Congratulations, Chef Taylor. Well done. Chef Taylor just became the new champ of Flavortown Food Fight!